In this video, I am going to show you the fastest way to make money online by using Clickbank. And I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can follow along and implement each and everything that you are going to learn from this video. So if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So the first thing is if you don't have an account on Clickbank, you can simply sign up to Clickbank. Just type on Google Clickbank and you will easily be able to visit to this site. And once you visit to this site, just click on this start here and follow their step-by-step instruction, and then you will be able to create your own Clickbank account within few minutes. In case if you are not able to create your own Clickbank account, then you can go with Digistore24 or Max Mounty, or there are lots of other CPA network, affiliate network. You can join it. Just search on Google Clickbank alternative and you will find lots of other CPA network that you can join easily. So for now, I'll assume that you have already created your Clickbank account. So just log into your Clickbank account and you will see somewhat this kind of interface, and then just click on this marketplace. Once you click on this marketplace, then here just type woodworking and click on this search, because for this strategy you are going to need to use this affiliate link of woodworking projects. And let me tell you, we are going to use an absolutely free traffic source, so you don't need to pay anything. So just search for woodworking and then you'll find lots of offers that are related to woodworking. You can select any, but one of the popular offer in Clickbank that is related to woodworking is this States woodworking, and it has pretty good amount of payout. So you can just simply click on this promote button and then click on this create hop link, and then you will be able to easily get your affiliate link. You can just simply click on this copy and you are done. Once you finish this step, then now you need to bring traffic to this specific affiliate link in order to get sales and make money. So just visit to a site that is called Instructables. Just type on Google Instructables and you will easily be able to visit to this site. Once you visit to this site, then you can see a sign up button at here. Just click on that and you will be able to sign up to Instructables, and it is absolutely free to join Instructables. In case if you are confused how much traffic this Instructables have, then let me show you. It receives a monthly visit of 12 million, and most of the visits are from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and so on. So this is a website that is worth giving some time in order to get free traffic from it. Now I'll show you the possibility of getting free traffic from this site. So what you can do is, once you sign up to this site, then just type woodworking at here, okay, and just click on this search and you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Now you can click on any of these links and it will open in new tab, and then you can see here how much views these posts are getting at here. Similarly, let me show you another post. Here you can see how much views these posts are getting. So you can get enough amount of traffic by making this kind of similar type of post. Now you don't need to write anything. I'm going to show you an easy shortcut that you can use. So in order to make this kind of post, firstly visit to your Instructable dashboard and just click on this publish, and then click on this new Instructable. Now you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Now you need title, description, category, those kind of stuff, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get all of this in an easy way. Just type on Google Quora and sign up to this site. It is absolutely free to join Quora, and just type woodworking at here, and then you will see various question and answer at here, okay. So check for the question and answer that is extremely interesting for the people who are interested in woodworking. For example, what are the top 10 tools for woodworking? This can be a topic that most people want to read, who are interested in woodworking. So now you can just click on this link and open it in a new tab, and you will see this is the question and here are the answer. Now you can read some of these answer and find out which answer would be suitable for this exact question, and you can use those in this Instructable. You can also use this board to decide which answer is most liked by the other people. Here you can see here is the 24 boards, so you can use this question and answer. So for now, let's copy this question and then let's go to Instructable and post in this title section, project title. and in category you can select workshop, teachers, or whatever you want. But it doesn't seem good to select teacher at here, so let's select workshop and then furniture at here. Now it's time for you to write the description or answer, so you can use this section to write the description. To do so, let's again go to Quora and copy our answer from here. Let's copy it and again go to instructable and paste this as it is. Now of course you can make some edit at here, don't paste it as it is, okay? Just make some edit, delete some lines that make sense, okay? If you delete this may make sense, then that kind of line you can delete, or you can add some of the lines. Now once you do this much, then you need to put an image at here. You can use this section to put image, or you can use this section to use image, whichever you like you can use, okay? Now in order to find the image, you can simply visit to Pexels. So search on Google PEXELS and you will be able to visit to this site. You can simply click on join and you will be able to join it for free. Now with this site you can get lots of woodworking images for absolutely free. You can simply click on this download button and you are done. Let's click on here and let our download begin at here. Once your download is finished, you can donate them for the picture, or you can just click on this cross. Now again let's go to instructables and scroll below, and you can just click on here and click on this browse and see where the image is downloaded. So this was the image that we have downloaded. Let's click on open and the image will be downloaded at here, uploaded at here. So let's click on upload file. Once this upload is finished, then you can just simply click on done. So my internet is a little bit slow, that's why I'm going to skip this process for now. But once your upload is done, you can simply click on this done and it's fine. So let me cross it. Now here is one of the crucial thing that you need to understand, that instructables doesn't allow you to directly put affiliate link. That's why you need a bridge page, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how you can get that bridge page. So let's say you decided to use this long form text at here. Now what you can do is you can simply copy this title again from here and go to a site that is called medium.com. You can simply type on Google Medium and you will be able to visit to this site. In simple way, you can just type Medium and this is the site that you need to visit and join, and it's absolutely free to join medium.com. And once you join, you will see this kind of interface. Then you just need to click on this right button, okay? Just click on it and then just give your title at here in this way, and in this tell your story, just scroll below and copy all of this text, okay, that you have decided to paste in instructable, and paste it at here. Now once you paste this link, then what you can do is you can select some of the area of the text where it makes sense to put the affiliate link, or you can type something like get 16,000 wood working plans at here, or something that is enticing for people who are looking for woodworking, and then just select this area and click on this button and paste your affiliate link in this way. Now you can see here is the text and here is going to be your affiliate link, and you can simply click on this publish. Or what you can also do is you can use this exact text and link in other places at here also, and then click on this publish button, and you can add a topic at here. Just type woodworking and select this, or anything that you like, just select this, okay, and then click on publish now. Now just scroll below and find this button so that you can get your link, okay? Just copy this link for this post and then put this link. Before putting this link, just delete some part of this text, okay, and just type see more or maybe read more, whatever you want. Just right there and give this kind of arrow and select this area and click on this link button and paste your link from medium.com and click on this save. Now you can see here is the link from Medium. Now anyone who clicks on this link will visit to this post and they can see this link, affiliate link with this text, and if they are interested they will click on it and purchase the product to make you commission inside Clickbank. And this way you can keep on repeating this process by using this instructable free traffic source in order to make money again and again. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video. And if you want to watch more interesting videos that are related to making money online, then I have given all of my best previous YouTube videos that are related to making money online in the description of this video. You can check those videos too, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.